In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the downloads product in Kajabi. This is a pretty new product and they made some changes recently that I love. So let's dive in. Okay, first of all, why do you want to use Kajabi to sell your downloads? Kajabi currently offers courses, coaching, community, podcasts, and newsletters, which is another new product. I'll have a video on that soon. And they also have downloads that they added about a year ago. This was really the only thing that I was missing with Kajabi as far as integrating all the different types of products that I sell. So I loved that you could sell courses. I run my membership on Kajabi, but I was wishing that we could do downloads because I sell a lot of those and had to have a different platform, Shopify, to sell my digital downloads. Now we can do all of that in Kajabi, and the benefit is you can integrate it with everything else that's going on in Kajabi. So if you go into your marketing with your email campaigns, funnels, automations, etc., you can integrate your digital download sales with all of that. So you can use like a $9 digital download as a low ticket offer to get people interested in learning from you, and then you can put them in your funnel for course sales, membership sales, everything else, and it's a great way to maximize your income. Some ideas for your downloads, there's a lot of things they can be. They can be an Excel sheet, so like a pricing calculator for your niche or some kind of tool that you would use. I have some Procreate sketch templates that I use because my main niche is invitation design. I also have some downloadable PDF things and tools like 70 free Instagram captions or other types of downloads. And even if you're offering a free download, it can help get people into your funnel. So this is a wonderful type of product. Well, let me show you how to set it up. You're gonna go into your products tab and just click on downloads. I don't have any right now, so we're going to create our first one. And the best update about downloads that Kajabi has made is that you can have one download product that will cover all of your download bundles, no matter how many you have. If you're not familiar with Kajabi, the plan tiers are based on how many products you use. So if you want to add a bunch of different downloads, you might think, oh no, I'm going to get max out of my plan tier really quickly. That's not true. You can actually just use one product space for all of those different downloads and any bundles thereof. So we're just going to create a download called our 10-step invitation design checklist. For your first download, go ahead and create it as if you're just thinking of one specific bundle, and then I'll show you how to add the rest. We'll do a brief description. And then your thumbnail image is the same size as a YouTube thumbnail. So if you go into Canva and search for YouTube thumbnails, you're going to find a bunch of different options that you can use and customize. I made this one and just customized it with my branding colors, put in the name of my download, and change the picture. So really, really easy. And then you can upload it directly as a JPEG. There we go. Now we're going to add our files, and you can add as many files as you want, but you can also add additional files later if you need to. I'll add my 10-step invitation design checklist right there. Click next. And then here's where you can price out your download, or you can make it free if you want. Obviously, no choices if you do free. If you do paid, then what you can do is choose if it's a multi-pay, a subscription, or one-time payment. We'll go with one-time payment. Subscription is something that goes on forever until someone cancels it. Multi-pay is like a subscription, but it does end. So it's like a payment plan. We'll just charge $19 for this, not $198. And you also can do this, let customers pay what they want. That's a new feature, but I really love it. This is a great option if you are doing a charity thing or you want people to just get in at whatever price they're comfortable with. You can also set a minimum price on that. Now I use Kajabi Payments, which is integrated within Kajabi. And then I'm also going to select Apple Pay and PayPal. These are some other options that you can connect. So now we have our files created, and then we do have our offer here for this particular product in our offers tab. And here we can go in and edit our checkout or see the information about this particular download and any offers that it's included in. If you're not familiar with how Kajabi's offers and products work, basically a product is the actual physical thing that you're selling. So that's a podcast, a course, a community, a checklist, etc. And then the offer is how you sell it or how someone pays for it. So the offer basically allows you to change up how you're selling things. Like if you wanted to do a one-time payment, but also offer a payment plan, you can use one product but create two different offers. You can also bundle a bunch of different products into offers. So if you want to offer a standalone course, but also make that course part of a larger bundle, you can create an offer that includes all of those products. Kajabi's plan tiers limit you based on products, but they don't limit you based on offers. So I like to think of the offer as just like the checkout itself. And then the product is what they're actually getting in that checkout. So we can edit our checkout here. And you have to do a little more editing in Kajabi because of that separation between product and offer. You'll want to edit product itself, and you'll want to edit the checkout page. But I love the flexibility of mixing and matching things. These are all the things that are very commonly edited here on Kajabi. If you're not super familiar with editing, I'm not going to dive so far into it, but you can check out some of our other videos for all the options. You'll just basically click on the block that you want and edit it. So here's where you could add something about the checklist to give people an idea of what to expect. You can add a video, hero image, etc., testimonials. There's just so many things you can do here. And one thing that you might want to pay attention to is this order bump. So if you have some other offers, so for instance, I have this like Adobe Basics class for $33, and I could use that as an order bump, and you can type in some information here. And when you click save, that order bump is going to appear right here. They'll be able to add it on, and then it will process in 2 separate transactions, but they don't have to do anything additional. There's also something called an upsell, which will happen after they get through this. So they purchase the checklist and then they go to the next page and it's like, oh, actually, did you want this other offer as well? When I click on this offer, it's going to take me into the offers option, which will give me the option to upload that same thumbnail that we've been using for the offer as well as for the product. And then this is that upsells section where you can create an after purchase flow. The upsells and order bumps are a great way to increase your revenue with related products that might be interesting to someone who is already interested in this design checklist. So we view our checkout again. We have that thumbnail added, makes it look a little bit nicer. For something small like this, I usually keep the checkout page simple, but you can do a lot of different things here. I have another video on Kajabi offers, so I won't go into all of the different options here, but just make sure you pay attention to everything and check out that video if you want more information. Now to add more download options, we're just gonna go back into our download product. And you'll see we have this one, but we have now this option to add a new download. So this is if we have something separate. We'll do a pricing calculator. I'll select the same thumbnail. Don't judge me too much. If you're new to Kajabi, check out my link as an affiliate link, but you can get a 30-day free trial with that. And I'd really appreciate using my link if you found this video helpful. Let's find a random Excel sheet. This is not a pricing calculator. Here we go. We'll offer this one for free. So if you click that free, it's going to go ahead and create an offer that is free. You can also click skip now if you're just not really sure and you just want to upload your files. Here you can rename the file if you're interested. You can also add additional files. So any files that are added here on this product will be given in any offers that contain this product. So if you want to give this pricing calculator and this PDF, you will make an offer with this product in it. If you also want to give them the 10-step invitation design checklist, you can create an offer that has both of these products in it. I'm going to click add offer. I can go to the pricing calculator and also the 10-step invitation design checklist. And now any offers that I create, maybe this is $29 for instance, will contain both of those products. That way you have the option to sell your downloads however you want. So you can create as many different bundles, etc., as you're interested in. And when they go to download this particular product, if you click this little eye, you'll see exactly what they see. And this has my brand settings, coloring, etc. You can customize all of that per product if you like, but you can also customize it kind of on a brand level as well. You can see how intuitive this is. It tells you exactly how many files and how big. You can download all of them or one at a time. And this is why I would rename these files. If you have them saved as something weird, just go ahead and rename them to something that's intuitive for your clients. Now in our download product, we have 2 options. We have our 10-step invitation design checklist as well as our pricing calculator. We'll be able to see how many people have purchased as well as editing this, duplicating it, or previewing it from here. And then when you go into the offer page, you'll be able to see the analytics for how many times these different offers have sold. So purchases in the last 30 days, net revenue, and all of your total sales, as well as some additional things like your order bump, which is an awesome way to see how well those are working. So I'm a big digital downloads girl. I have a ton of options and I'm super excited to bring them all over to Kajabi now that it only takes up 1 product space on your plan. So let me know what questions you have about Kajabi. Check out some of our other videos to see more about offers, how I run my membership there, as well as all of the other things that you can integrate here. While this is not very different than selling digital downloads in a different platform like Shopify, which I was using until this functionality existed, the best part is that it will integrate with everything else you're doing in Kajabi. So you can get rid of your email marketing. It's going to integrate with your funnels. After someone buys one of these downloads, you can then tag them. You can then add them to an email sequence. You can target them for a larger offering down the road. You can use those order bumps and upsells to increase the revenue on this purchase. There's so many options here, and you can really, like, I've only been using Shopify for digital downloads for a while, so I can pretty much get rid of that and save some money and invest that further into my Kajabi interface. So let me know what questions you have about using Kajabi. Check out some of our other videos. And if you use my link, I would really appreciate it. It'll get you a 30-day free trial. And if you enjoyed this video, it will give me a small commission as well. Thanks, everyone. If you want to become a stationery designer, I have all the tools you need to start, grow, and scale your business, from pricing to Adobe tutorials to tools that will help with color print matching, because we all know that's a struggle. I got a little bit of everything at the resources link below, and you can book a one-on-one consult if you're not sure where to start.